Craving free entertainment but stuck in the Great White North? Today, we're cracking the code on how Canadians can dive into the world of Amazon Mini TV. First things first, Amazon Mini TV is accessible directly within the regular Amazon shopping app or website, no separate downloads needed. Simply open your Amazon app on your phone or go to Amazonka on your computer. Next, tap on the search bar, then type in Mini TV and hit search. You should see Amazon Mini TV prominently displayed in the search results. It might appear as a banner, a dedicated row, or a clearly labeled icon. Tap on it. This takes you to the Mini TV section, where you'll find a diverse library of content. Expect to see lots of web series, comedy shorts, beauty tutorials, tech reviews, and more. It's constantly being updated, so there's always something new to discover. Just click on any title that grabs your attention and start watching. The video will play directly within the Amazon app or website. Now, here's the key point. While Mini TV is available in Canada, content offerings might differ slightly from what's available in other regions like India, where it first launched, so keep in mind that some shows might not be accessible due to regional restrictions. And that's it. You're now equipped to explore Amazon Mini TV in Canada. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.